Ano ibig sabihin nito? Well, simply put, it just means you have to build different sources of income. You have to have multiple sources of income. So, hanap kayo ng racket. Hanap kayo ng mga find side hustles. Think of some home-based businesses that you can put up. And of course, lalo na ngayon, no? Ang pinakauso ngayon is doing online freelancing. So, meron tayo lahat internet. So, tingnan natin kung paano tayo kikita online, 'di ba? So, recently nga, marami akong nakikita ng mga kaibigan ko nagbebenta ng mga binibake nila or niluluto nila or ginagawa nila. Tapos pinopost lang nila sa social media. And ako mismo, pag may nakikita akong gusto ko, binibili ko as a way of helping them also. So it's also something that you can do. Kaya ako usually every week, ang daming nadi-deliver dito sa bahay namin. Naka-order na ako ng ube pandesal, ensaymada, may mga nabili na rin ako ng mga homemade na face mask, di ba? So, lahat yon aside from me, because I want them, but I also am helping some of my friends with their mga extra income venture. So, kayo rin, kailangan, ngayon pa lang, iniisip nyo na, ano bang pwede kong pagkakitaan? So, just a short promotion, of course, I have a friend who is doing a free online workshop right now, no? Yung the Freelance Movement Tribe. And sa mga gusto mag-freelancing, matuto maging online freelancer, you can check out yung free freelance workshop na ginagawa ng Freelance Movement Tribe. So you can go to bit.ly CFM means the freelance movement tribe. So you can check that out. And of course, there are a lot of free seminars, free workshops that you can enroll in. No? Marami akong nakikita mga social media management course, meron pang mga homeschooling course. May nakikita nga akong ad sa Facebook, be a home-based Zumba fitness instructor, di ba? So these are the things that you can explore to make money online, right? So after diversifying income, of course, you need to manage your investments.